Scout, do you know what a Kong is? Do you want to try one today? Let's try a Kong. Your first Kong. Yeah. All right, Scout. So this is a Kong. There's a tiny little T-R-E-A-T inside. Whoa, 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 whoa. Be excited, be excited. Do you want it? I assume you want it. You're being such a good boy. I'll let you have it. Sit. There you go. Got a different toy. You're right, it's almost Christmas. Yeah. Here, why don't you choose? Ready? This toy or this toy? Did you have fun playing with your Kong? Yeah! One out of 10, how much did you like your Kong?